January 30th, 2024, 1:30 p.m. Got a quick one. 2 days of no rain, got lucky. A little bit of on-off, nothing too major. So I got them doing this right here. They're doing the sweep. We're gonna get these things piled up. Then I gotta get this by hand moved over. This is a better spot. Cleans it up pretty good. A little bit of hula ho action. Should be good. And yeah, the whole thing, all of them, they're all doing it. Popping real quick. Gonna make this a short. I might edit it and make a short. Yeah, north. Look to the east. And we'll look down south. There's your sun just passing south. It's west. Back to north again. Those are walnut trees. These are almond trees. It's a big difference. All right, peace out. Get this mess cleaned up right here in the middle. We'll get it.